Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today I want to make you a creamy mashed potato, sweet potato and normal potato. Alright? And this is how we're going to do it. I've got 3 sweet potato and 3 white potato. Before you do anything, put a medium-sized pot on the stove with some water. We're going to cut them up very small. I remove the skin already, as I can see. These are the white potato. As you guys can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. Put them in some water, get rid of some of the starch. Nice and lovely. So that's the potato. Now we're going to show you how to cook it and make it come out lovely and nice. Alright, nice. So water on the stove, piping boiling, very hot. Little bit of oil. Also, little bit of salt. And let's get the potato. Put it straight in it like this. But don't do exactly what I'm doing, please guys, because you can burn yourself, alright? I'm a chef. I don't know what I'm doing. Pour that water. Give it a stir. Allow that to cook for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium-sized heat. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, it's boiling up. Look at that. I think a soup may I cook. Alright, so you can see so almost cook. So give it a few more minutes and it will be ready. Nice and lovely. Yeah. So I'll make sure I put a lot of water in it. That means it's good to go. This is exactly what I thought about. Okay, so this is finished. What we're gonna do now is strain it. Alright? Turn off my stove. We're gonna strain it now. That's finished. Nice one. So this is a potato right here, and all I'm going to do, cut some butter and put in it like this. A few pieces of butter. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cream. A bit of pepper. Then we're gonna mash it. Alright. This is gonna be a creamy creamy mashed potato here. As you can see, let's taste this. This is lovely. One more taste. Nice. I do like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be sharing out it and make you guys see exactly how it look on the plate with some steak. That's the mashed potato, looking so lovely with other ends with some vegetables. As you can see, creamy mashed potato, guys, from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye.